So this is my string art program. What it does, it takes an image and converts it into string art like this. As you can see, this is string art. Is this is the physical form is not a string art. You can also call it line art, as it's just make of lines which are uh, start from points like this is a point 1, point 2, point 3. This goes around like a circle. There are 300 points, and those are connected repeatedly using lines that this is formed. This is the comparison side by side. This image became this, which is quite similar. This is the command line. The execution time is 86.67 seconds. It's pretty fast considering 5,000 iterations. This is the result. Like if you want to do the string art, then you have to follow this text file. This is the main program. These are the values which are needed for this. I calibrated these as per my needs. I can also change these. Like if I do 50, then yeah, it's ran this one. This is what it looks like out of 50 iterations. Nothing obviously. It's generally better to consider it around 3000 to 5000 because the more you add the loops, the more darker it gets.